DOW chart review. It's the 4th, Sunday the 4th. Just a quick one. Let's just quickly look at them. Quickly look at the different time frames. I often do this on a Sunday just to make myself aware of some key areas. And then we can look again tomorrow once the action kicks off, obviously. So DOW daily charts. I'm still interested in this whole divergence setup here. If you look at your oscillators, the MACD is even trying to trade this, so it's trading negative. It's trying to confirm this resistance channel here across all the oscillators. Okay, so for downside, the divergence on the daily, without question, is still of interest to me. However, it's all about timing, and obviously there are inflection points slightly higher that could be filled before there's any kind of meaningful retrace or reversal or pullback. I'm certainly not trading it as a true reversal, but I'm certainly interested in a pullback of some description. Again, maybe looking for some kind of meet of the higher frame support. The 50 has crossed over the 200 on the Dow here, which is the first time it's done it, give or take, the whole year. So an interesting little setup on the Dow, but the daily divergence zone is certainly still of interest to me. So trading it, 4-hour chart, the 4-hour channel is still in play. So there's structure here for the longer term trades, the longer holds, to take longs out of the channel. That's been playing out no problem at all, and you can have a good trade structure there in terms of stop loss. From an intraday perspective, the 1 hour's got a bit choppy, and yes, has popped back into a support scenario. However, this 50 held on Friday. I know it popped up a bit, but it's held on Friday. So here we could see an intraday pinch. We'll have to see how it plays out, obviously. But looking down to the 15-minute, you've got some conflict. You've got the 1 hour trying to hold as a bull channel. And you've got the 15-min here that potentially, if price could pop back down, could confirm as a bear channel. So there's a little bit of conflict where price is right now. So we'll have to see how that opens up Monday morning, the overnight session tonight, but more importantly tomorrow. And then the 5-minute chart, again from Friday, left into close quite flat. So that's not giving us too many clues. So it's the same as last week until some of the structure changes. We still have the 1 hour bull channel, albeit it has flattened out slightly and has seen this chop on the backdrop of the 4-hour support. Okay, so look for low frame channel creations if indeed you're bearish, low frame channel creations to push into the support on the backdrop of that daily chart, okay, which is still of interest to me. On the flip side, if you want to trade it long, keep looking for key markers, and you can keep trades within structure, testing support. Yeah, testing support. That's the 1 hour chart. Also looking at testing support on the 4 hour. Okay, because until the low frames start to roll these over, and I repeat, and I said it last week and I repeat again, until especially the 1 hour chart starts to confirm as resistance, and we start getting some higher lows rejecting resistance, okay, then it remains essentially bullish until we get some confirmation. But we'll look at it again tomorrow.